After watching this video, you will learn how to make these custom lamps and improve your knowledge on light system. When designing a van, lighting needs to be addressed as soon as you start planning, and how it will be used, as it can drastically improve any design. It's important to bring all necessary cables for light bulbs and other things on the first stages of your build. Lights can create an atmosphere much nicer than furniture or an accessory can. Main benefits of LED are low energy consumption, longer life, smaller size, faster switching and dimming. At home, you have different rooms with different lights. In a van, you have all of them in the same space. In this video, we will show you how to get more with less. Let's build a couple of cheap DIY lamps out of materials you might already have at home.
So that's gonna be customized lamp. Look at this, with the two lights. One here, another here. So it'll be perfect for kitchen and sink.
It's really easy and affordable to make a custom lamp with any color or size you would like. For our kitchen light, we are using a leftover piece of the wooden table. To make the lamp appear that it's hanging in the air, we bought 4 metal corners and drill a few holes. Your working desk and kitchen demands brighter lights, while the bed area would benefit from warmer lights. Our association with orangish light, with a feeling of warmth and relaxation. It reminds us about a fire or a beautiful sunset.
Hiding our mistakes, if we call it mistakes, but we got new idea and we need to just bring the electricity, so it's gonna look something like this and the light will be here. On the screws right here, so it will be almost invisible. So Max, your quick feedback.
I think it's the best things of the van for sure.
Dimm and indirect lighting will create a more intimate space that encourages relaxation, while white and direct lighting activates our brains. For this intimate toilet and shower, we will create an indirect lamp out of wood and a strip of LED. Working with this milling machine is not an easy process, and having a guide is essential for great results. Basically, we cut out a 2 cm deep hole so we could insert a strip and then in one corner drill the hole for the cable to come in.
We put some silicone on top just to waterproof it and make it stick.
To connect the lamp to the ceiling, we used a leftover aluminium corner.
Painted in black with a hidden LED stripe.
I'm amazed how easy it was to do this one. You can do any size, any shape, any brightness.
Lamp looks fantastic. And now let's talk about LED strips and how they are made and connected.
The cool thing about these LED lights that you can cut them off anywhere, and you can use any piece you want, and you can add any piece you want.
If we will have a closer look on the strip, we will see a cutting point where you can weld cables. To do that, it's a pretty straightforward process. Just follow the polarity of the cables and add tin for the soldering iron. It's a great idea to add a heat shrink tube, so the contacts stay isolated and the whole thing is stronger.
That's it. Any length you need, as much as your cables can handle it. 1 meter of LED strip consumes about 5 watt from your batteries at 100%. So this 60 centimeter strips for the shower takes only 3 watts. There are different densities of the strips and different distances between cutting points. The more density means more consumption, and the more cutting points, the more flexibility for your ideas.
There are also IP65 rated strip lights, so you're not limited to only indoor use.
Working with LED strips is quite an easy process, and with a couple of simple tools you can do basically everything. Let's have a look on a slightly more creative example.
Since we're building a campervan for a professional tennis player and she had all rackets available, we decided to make a tennis lamp. But of course, it can be any unused item at your home.
Almost there. That's gonna be inner circle.
To make everything solid, we made 4 holes and fixed the wooden panel with the screws. And to avoid any light leaks through the gap, we added silicone all around.
It's not gonna be very visible, but at least I feel when someone remove it, they will be like, wow, some professionals were working here.
Now it's the most exciting part, attaching LED strip to the wood. Worth mentioning that the most of the strips never stick to anything.
Quality.
From now on, we will put them on the silicone all the time. And be aware of fake 3M strips, as this just saying M. We drilled 3 holes from the front side and attached the whole thing to the wall.
The final touch.
Boom! This will be tea light, evening light, really fancy stuff.
Fiera di Parma is one of the biggest Italian motorhome exhibitions, and we've been there already 3 times. The vans we like most are the vans with fancy LED cut out and nice light atmosphere. In the next build, I will definitely install the lights on the entrance step and inside of the cupboards. Lights on batteries are fantastic, but you get lazy to charge them all the time. Wardrobe switch with a little bit of LED strip will do the job. If you want to get a little bit more fancy, then infrared light switch is your choice. Strips under the desk or behind wall cutouts are an amazing way to decorate your van without spending money. Just check this wall on the right. At night, you would want to have a really dim light, so when you go out of the van, it's not that painful on your eyes. You actually want to see what's going on outside of your van. There are dimmers available with a remote control. They do work, but they're annoying. Very often, they just don't send a signal to the receiver. So you basically set up light intensity and then keep it that way without changing. If you have more than one, then they can interfere between themselves. As they are still inexpensive, I will continue to use them until something better appears.
Light affects our mood, but not only. It can transform the room in shape and size. In a really small van, painting in light color will make the van appear larger.
That's it. The main message is, you don't need to have a lot of money to make your van beautiful. With a bit of LED strip and some basic skills, you can make impressive things by changing how your van looks and feels like.
Thanks for watching this video, and it's time to take some action to improve your van. If you are interested to see the full van conversion with numerous simple DIY ideas, then please check the link below. If this video was useful, then I would appreciate a comment below, and the like button is free.